this week I have an app that will change the way you end your calls, but it will change the way you play games.
Oh, yes.
So, let's see if I can do this here.
Yeah.
Can they see this on the internet?
They can't see it on the internet, but they will be able to see it on the internet later.
Oh,
That's right.
okay.
On
Well, it's
the,
called
podcast.
Wiimote Control. So I'm sure if you search Wii, it'll probably bring it up there somewhere.
Yep.
And let's see here. So the first thing you want to do is turn on your Bluetooth. Yeah, I know it's kind of difficult here.
We'll do it this way. Oh, Bluetooth. Yes, you're saying Bluetooth.
Yes, turn on your Bluetooth. All right, wait for my Bluetooth to turn on here. And once your Bluetooth is turned on, you're going to want to go to your settings and go down to language and keyboard.
So this will make it so that you can use your little Wiimote as a remote.
Yes, in your emulators. So you're gonna wanna turn on your Wii controller IME, and it's in there in your or your keyboard settings. And then after you get that set up, what you're gonna do next is pull out your app, that Wiimote Control, right there. And then you're gonna hit the 1 and 2 button, the sync buttons on the Wiimote. Once it starts flashing, you hit the number 1, and it's searching. And it's found it. So next thing you want to do is pull the button data and just, hit your buttons.
Yeah, because you've got to map out the keys. It just won't work right away, right?
Huh.
So once you've hit all the buttons, and then you make sure you hit the number 2, select the Wiimote IME, and then hit your home button.
Yeah.
And then let's see, where is my Nesoid? I reviewed all these before: Nesoid, Genzoid, and SNESoid.
You can go back and if you search on our site for NES, it'll pull up the episode that we reviewed that on.
What?
It was a pretty good episode.
Once you get into your emulators, make sure you check your settings. You're gonna go down to key mapping. And then I already have this all set up, but you just tap on each one, and you push the button that corresponds to wherever you want it. Make sure when you get down to the up left, up right, that, well, you're not really going to be able to do that real well, so just hit up for up left, down for down, and so on. But anyways, once you've got that all set up, and I do believe there is a setting in here as well that enables input method. Yes, use the input method, so make sure you check that box as well. So, Super Mario Brothers. Now, if you have a better phone than mine, because, I got the G1, but the processor's a little slow, so it lags a little bit. But for those of you with a Droid and Nexus 1, I'm sure this will work much better. So, anyways, hit the start button.
Yeah. That's old school, man.
Here we go. See? Run. Everything works.
And you're playing a game with the Wiimote. That's awesome.
But Super Mario seems to work pretty well on here.
See, what you need is that Droid Incredible. You know what I mean? So that you can...
Oops. And there we go. So, as you can see, it works great.
That's so cool. Now, is that just an app that's in the market?
Yeah, it's in the market.
Wow.
Just search for... I'm sure if you search for just Wii, I'm sure it'll bring it up, but it's called Wiimote Control.